says no gay gene. I'm not. My argument is I don't need to prove that you're not born with a homosexual tendency. I don't need to do that. You make the claim, so you need to prove that. That's what you need to understand. What I'm doing in that video is not making arguments against. Oh, therefore, I'm showing you. Look, here are contradictory studies, and I didn't only mention this. I mentioned other things. For example, I mentioned a book called My Genes Made Me Do It, which talks about this idea that the genes are not the determining factor for the sexual orientation and sexual attraction. Talked about how they did studies on twins, but identical twins. So identical twins, we talk about they're identical, same genetics, whatever. They're born, and one of them is gay or homosexual, one is not. If it was a genetic thing, given the fact that they're twins, given the fact they're identical, growing up in the same environment, all of that, they will be both gay, but they're not. It says no gay gene. That's the title of the study. It says no gay gene. And it was the community like yours and the people who support the community, like the LGBT community, basically, people from that community or people who support them, who conducted the study because they're trying to show, basically, evidence that, you know what, look, we want to prove genetically that this is a genetic thing. They ended up themselves saying that there is no such thing. There's no gay gene. There's no proof that you have this sexual orientation due to genetic composition. That's their own claim.